Hello, Sylvain from Cavitar. We're here at FABTECH 2025 on the ACC booth. I am with Zack. Hello, Zack. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. So I'm really looking forward to seeing a demonstration of this system here.
This is something that we've been working on for quite a while now. Anybody in the piping industry has probably come across OLEDs and threadlets at some point. It is one of the most challenging welds to automate in the entire industry. Fit up is going to be different on just about every weld. It's open root, and the geometry is quite a challenge to articulate from an automation standpoint. This is really where our AI system on this, paired with the Cavitar cameras, has essentially made this possible to automate. This is essentially laying down what will be the root based off of scanning through the Cavitar cameras. With the AI systems, it's able to make real-time adjustments and changes and account for the open root, any changes in gapping, fit up, tacking, etc. Now, after it makes the essential first pass, it's going to come back and then it will lay an oscillated cap. All of this is being guided by AI and the Cavitar cameras.
Yeah, Cavitar has been a great partner for us. We've recently switched over to them. We love the clarity, obviously, as you can see, of the picture we're getting. This is our automated spool welding machine for pipe spool welding. It's been an extremely helpful tool. Not only is it a great visual tool for our customers, but it allows us, when we switch over to our AI platform, we have the clarity that we need to be able to clearly define the boundaries that we're looking for when we're developing our AI algorithms. So we also use it for our cobotic welding and our OLED welding. So we're super pumped about the Cavitar brand.
And if that were production, this weld would be done.
Excellent.
Yeah. Perfect.